Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Fardaus Sahel. In this video with Affinity, I'm going to show you how to place an image or document. To place, we need to use this place tool from this toolbar. Click here, select your image or document and click on open. The place option, you can click on repeat or you can check the replace existing. I'm going to draw this to place this image right here. So this is how we can place an image or you can place a document with this tool in Affinity. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and learned, and if you have any question, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and also subscribe to the channel. So see you guys in the next video.